Hello, friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to change username in Twitter. So let's get started. As you know, that Twitter app is now changed to this app called X. So let's get into it. Now, we are in Twitter interface. In the top left corner, we can see this icon over here. So let's tap on this and click on your name. Now click on Set Up Profile. Now, you can add or skip this part. Skip this as well, and you can add your bio or skip this. And here's the username. You can simply choose any username and click on Next. Now, you can add or skip this part. And now, you can click on Save. So this is it. Now, your username will be changed. So this is how you can change username in Twitter. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.